Part 1. Introduction. Welcome back to Debt-Free Dreams, your trusted guide for everything crypto, wealth building, and achieving financial freedom. Today, we're diving into one of the most fundamental yet essential aspects of cryptocurrency: how to send and receive crypto step by step. Whether you're paying for a service, transferring funds to a friend, or moving assets between wallets, understanding how to securely send and receive cryptocurrency is critical to your crypto journey. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to transact crypto securely and efficiently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our actionable crypto guides. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Let's get started. Part 2. What you'll need to send and receive crypto. Before we dive into the process, let's talk about what 3 things you need. 1. A crypto wallet. This is where your crypto is stored. You can use wallets like Safepal wallet, perfect for managing multiple cryptocurrencies on the go. Safepal wallet, air-gapped for the ultimate in offline security. 2. Recipient's wallet address. This is like the account number for crypto transactions. Each wallet generates unique public address for receiving funds. 3. Some crypto to send. Ensure you have enough crypto in your wallet, including extra to cover transaction fees, also known as gas fees. If you don't yet have a wallet, check out my videos on the best crypto wallets for beginners, links in the description below. Part 3. Step-by-step guide to sending cryptocurrency. Now let's walk through how to send crypto step by step. Step 1. Open your wallet. Log into your wallet. If you're using a hardware wallet like Safepal or Safepal, connect it to the companion app on your phone or desktop. Step 2. Choose the cryptocurrency. Select the cryptocurrency you want to send, for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Binance Coin. Step 3. Enter the recipient's wallet address. Copy and paste the recipient's wallet address into the designated field. Always double-check the address. A single typo can result in losing your funds permanently. Step 4. Specify the amount. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Some wallets allow you to choose between sending an exact amount in crypto, for example, 0.5 BTC, or its equivalent in fiat, for example, 100 United States dollars. Step 5. Review the transaction details. Carefully review the transaction, including recipient address, amount to send, gas or transaction fees. Step 6. Confirm and send. Once you're sure everything is correct, hit send. Depending on the blockchain, your transaction will take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes to process. Part 4. How to receive cryptocurrency step by step. Receiving crypto is even easier. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open your wallet. Access your wallet and navigate to the section labeled Receive or Deposit. Step 2. Copy your wallet address. Every wallet generates unique address for receiving funds. Copy this address and share it with the sender. Step 3. Share your address safely. Use secure methods to share your address, such as encrypted messaging apps. Never share your private keys, only the public wallet address. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. Once the sender initiates the transaction, wait for blockchain confirmations. You'll see the funds appear in your wallet once the transaction is complete. Part 5. Tips for secure crypto transactions. Security is key when sending or receiving crypto. Follow these best practices. Double-check wallet addresses. Always verify that the recipient address is accurate. Use secure wallets. Options like Safepal and Safepal offer top-notch security for managing your crypto. Enable 2FA. Always enable two-factor authentication 2FA for an added layer of protection. Beware of scams. Never send crypto to unknown addresses or giveaway schemes. Part 6. Tools to simplify your transactions. To streamline and manage your crypto transactions, consider using these tools. CoinStats. Track your portfolio and transaction history across wallets. TradingView. Analyze token prices before making transactions. Ledger and Coinly. These tools help organize your transaction records and calculate taxes for crypto sent and received. Links to these tools are in the description below. Part 7. Final thoughts and call to action. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency may seem intimidating at first, but with this step-by-step guide, you're well equipped to handle it like a pro. If you found this video helpful, check the description below for links to helpful tools. Please smash that like button Share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams for more crypto tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below what was your first crypto transaction, and what did you learn from it. Thanks for watching.